Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm reviewing the Adidas Yeezy Boost 350 V2s in Desert Sage and the Cinder colorways. So to start off, I'm going to talk about the Yeezy Boost in Desert Sage. As you can see here, they're in this minty color, and once I saw the pics of them, I knew instantly that I want to get them because I really like the color combination. So as you can see, running down the center of the lateral side, you have this metallic stripe that is not that noticeable in the normal light, but it's actually made of 3mm and it shines. Here you have this vibrant neon orange, and also the insole is also in the neon orange. And yeah, I really like the combination of these colors, and I feel like as the summer approaching, I will get a lot of use out of them. And yeah, they will go with every outfit there in the summer. So I got this pair from the StockX. Before placing my order, I was hesitating because I read all these negative reviews about the StockX and I didn't want to be scammed. But I placed my order anyways because they were at a relatively low price there. We're selling them for 254 euros and the actual retail price is 220. So there was not a big difference in the price. And once I placed the order, they came to me in approximately 10 days. I was very happy with the very quick shipping. So I already wore them and I worked out in them. I went grocery shopping in them, and let me tell you, this is the most comfortable sneakers that I own, and I'm not regretting getting them. So I really like this color. They're very unique and I don't remember Yeezys in the similar colorways before. So moving on, I'm gonna talk about the Cinder. As you can see here, it's a very dark gray color. When they dropped the pictures of this Yeezy, I knew I want to get them as well because I thought that they are black Yeezy sneakers, but they are actually not that black. They're in the more dark gray color. That's why they call them Cinder. They're very similar to the previous Yeezys. As you can see here, we have this mesh stripe, which is in the black color. Here we have the pull tab comparing to the Desert Sages where they don't have this. They're very beautiful, and I actually really like how this boost in the yellow color stands out. So I really like them. This one I actually won in the Adidas raffle, so I was very excited. Regarding the sizing, with the Desert Sages, I went for 4.5 US men's size. I'm normally 36.5 European size, and this one I actually got in the size 5. I went half a size up, but both of them fit me perfectly, so I don't have any complaints regarding that. I will insert the unboxing of the sneakers from the StockX, the Desert Sages one, and also I will put them on and you will judge what do you think about them, do you like them or not, and yeah, just let me know. Thank you guys for watching my quick review on the Adidas 350. I hope that you enjoyed it, and if so, please let me know in the comment section down below. Tell me your experience about the StockX, maybe you ordered from them. Mine wasn't bad at all, so I really hope that you enjoyed it. Put the thumbs up, and I will see you all in my next video.